Have you ever wondered what's really going on in the world around us? Are we merely observing reality, or is there a deeper connection between what we see and what we create? Today, we're diving into one of the most mysterious experiments in physics, the double-slit experiment, and discovering how it hints at our power to shape reality, just like in the movie Interstellar. In the early 1800s, scientists were curious. Was light a wave, like sound, or a particle, like tiny grains of sand? To find out, they set up a simple experiment. They shone light through two narrow slits onto a screen. If light were made of particles, it would pass through the slits and create two bright lines. But what they saw was an interference pattern, a series of light and dark bands, just like ripples in water. This showed light behaved like a wave. Then, in the 20th century, scientists decided to test this experiment with electrons, tiny particles that make up atoms. They expected these solid particles to act like tiny bullets, creating two bands on the screen. But surprisingly, the electrons also created an interference pattern like waves. It seemed that even single particles acted as waves when unobserved. But here's where things got really strange. When scientists set up detectors to watch the electrons as they passed through the slits, the interference pattern disappeared. The electrons behaved like particles again, forming two distinct lines. It was as if the electrons knew they were being watched and changed their behavior. This led to a mind-bending idea. That observation itself might shape reality. This idea, that our conscious observation affects the way reality unfolds, turned science on its head. It suggests that reality may not be entirely fixed, but instead, a blend of possibilities shaped by our focus and awareness. Like waves of potential outcomes, reality might only solidify when we observe it. This experiment challenges us to rethink the role of our own consciousness. Now, imagine this concept in terms of the movie Interstellar. In the film, love and human connection transcend time and space, shaping events across dimensions. Just as the double-slit experiment shows how observation shapes particles, Interstellar suggests that human consciousness, our choices, intentions, and love, can affect reality in profound ways. Much like the characters in Interstellar, we too are participants in shaping our experience. By focusing our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions, we can actively shape the world around us. Our inner light, our motivations and dreams, can illuminate the paths we choose to follow, just as observation changes the outcome of the experiment. So, what if reality isn't something we just passively observe, but something we participate in? If the double-slit experiment teaches us anything, it's that our presence, our observation, and our intention have a profound effect on the world around us. By embracing this power, we can light the way toward a reality that aligns with our highest motivations. Thanks for watching. Remember, by shaping your intentions, you shape your reality. Subscribe for more insights into the mysteries of life.